Hi, my name is Tamás and I will show you how easy it is to add lightning effects to the video footages. In my previous tutorial I created a layered project that I will use for this presentation. If you want to know how I made this base project, you can watch it in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. At first, let's see how the original video looks like. We have a GNU who is walking in the desert when it's not raining. I will add the lightnings just before the last layer of the scene. Before applying any effects, I reorganize the layers a little bit. I drag the sky layer to the bottom because it's the rearmost scene element, and I will place the lightnings in front of this layer. I even move the hues backwards. It's not a necessary step anyway, I just want to see it in its right order. Now I'm creating a solid composition layer for the lightning effect. I go to the Effects and Presets panel to find the Advanced Lightning effect, and I add it to the new layer. You can see the effect appears in the middle of the screen. This lightning is static, so we have to modify some parameters to animate it. At first I specify when the effect will appear and disappear. I can do it by setting the opacity levels on the desired places on the timeline. Then I set the origin and the direction coordinates of the lightning. In this example, I have to change their screen position in line with the camera move. I recommend to set a few different conductivity state values on the timeline. This way, the lightning will become more lifelike. There are lots of parameters of this effect that you can set, for example changing the core and the glow color or vary the branches of the lightning. I will not go through all the settings, it's better if you will try and test them by yourself. Now we have the lightning, but I want to make it feel that a thunderstorm is coming in the clouds. To do it, first I create a new layer that will be a light layer. We have the layer here. It's a little bit yellow. So I change its color to white and the light options to point. I want to see the light effect only on the sky, so I disable the accept lights parameter on all the other layers. Now I will place different intensity levels on a few points of the timeline. By this action, I intend to make storm flashes appear in the sky. When I finish the work with the light intensity settings, the video will look like something like this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the tutorial, please subscribe my channel and you will see what other effects I add to this scene. Bye bye.